That's a very bloody stupid opinion. Agong at no point crossed any line. Agong is acting within the confines of perlembagaan. Agong did not step out of perlembagaan. What did Agong say? Agong takkan melayan siapa-siapa yang nak menebuk atap. To go to Agong with SDs and say, hey, we got more majority, so therefore appoint a new Prime Minister. No, Agong will say, go back to Parliament, put forth the motion of no confidence. Kalau Anwar Ibrahim loses the motion of no confidence, maknanya that bill is passed and that means he's got no longer enjoys confidence of the Dewan. He will have to menghadap Agong and he will have to tender his resignation. So therefore, which part yang Agong kata that cannot be done? Did Agong say that there cannot be any motion of no confidence to be passed in Parliament? You can kalau Anwar hilang majority support. So bila pergi ke Agong, what does Agong say? Agong ada dua option kan? Agong can either appoint a new Prime Minister in replace of Anwar, a Prime Minister that in his opinion has the majority support of the Dewan, likely to command the majority support of the Dewan, these wordings of the Constitution. Or he can agree to dissolve the Parliament. Now, doing the first one is facilitating tebuk atap. Anwar hilang confidence and somebody else wants to become PM, not through elections, but through Agong punya facilitation to make him PM, as was done to Muhyiddin by the former Agong. That is what this Agong is saying, I will not do. So how is that stepping out of the line? He will say, dissolve the Parliament. Parliament now is dissolved. Go back to the ballot box. Rakyat goes to the ballot box. Choose your government. Mandate whichever party you think should govern you. Therefore, when that choice is made, the nominee of the new Prime Minister is brought forth Agong. Agong will just appoint that new Prime Minister. So therefore, pilihan raya lah kan. So therefore, nak berpolitik tunggu pilihan raya. Kalau nak pilihan raya, nak berpolitik sekarang, then make sure election sekarang. Put forth a motion of no confidence now. Put forth a motion of no confidence now, and pilihan raya can be earlier. Tak payah tunggu sampai 5 tahun. Tak payah tunggu lagi 4 tahun. Faham? So, and bila pilihan raya now, Agong kata apa? Berpolitiklah di musim pilihan raya. So, musim becomes now. So, where on earth did Agong step out of the line? Hassan Karim is an idiot. He's insolent. Bodoh, tak reti undang-undang. He thinks he's so smart. Agong did not step out of the line. Whatever Agong chooses to do from now on, by not swearing in a new Prime Minister unless through the ballot box, is the constitutional provision of the for the Agong. Agong will do what he wants to do, and he is not stepping crossing the line.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.